In this video, we are going to make an amazing Italian zucchini cream that's a staple in my everyday cooking, and I'm sure it will quickly become one of your favorite recipes too. This cream is super easy to prepare, made with minimal added fats, and perfect for any season. It can be used to dress delicious pasta dishes, creamy gnocchi, or grain-based meals. As a sandwich or burger sauce. And last but not least, as a mouth-watering pizza topping. It's a versatile sauce that will help you easily create a variety of dishes every day and elevate your everyday cooking in a simple way. Now, let's dive right into how to make it. Let's start by grating a large zucchini. Mine weighs 350 grams. Next, grate a medium-sized potato. Add a little oil to a large pan, and when it's hot, toss in a garlic clove to sauté over medium-low heat, making sure it doesn't burn. Then add the grated zucchini and potato. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and give everything a good stir. Let it soften for a couple of minutes over medium heat. Once the veggies start to dry out, pour in just over half a glass of water and let it cook down over medium-low heat for 3 to 5 minutes until you get a lovely creamy texture. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent the mixture from sticking to the bottom of the pan. At this point, take it off the heat. If you are not a big garlic fan, you can remove it before blending, but I like to leave it in. Transfer the veggies to a blender. If you want, you can also add a few fresh basil leaves or some parsley to boost the flavor. Blend until you achieve a smooth cream. Put it back into the pan and warm it up, letting it thicken for a few minutes if needed. And there you have it. This gorgeous, fresh, vibrant green cream is ready to go. The best part? You can store this cream in the fridge for up to 3 days in an airtight container, or freeze it for up to 2 months, so you can savor your garden zucchini well into early autumn. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll be using this cream to create some mind-blowing pizza toppings, just like those at the most exclusive Italian pizzerias. If you give this a try, tag me on Instagram to show me your creations. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it, leave a comment, consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.